your outline in the dark and hear the blood run in your heart when we're in each other's arms. Stillness of the night is here with all the riot of our fear. Try and reopen our scars, but nothing in this life is real, and time alone won't help to heal. Getting to the hardest part. Time is running out for us, and all our dreams will turn to dust. Never